Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a vlog because I haven't done one in like ages. I can't even remember the last time I did one. And plus, feels like a good day to do a vlog. So, just woke up, had some breakfast, and put some batteries into charge. I'm waiting for my friend Eli to come over for something we plan to do later in the day. But while that's happening, let's get some sim action going to start off the day. Alright guys, that was a pretty successful simulator session. So the plan for today is Eli should arrive soon. He's late, of course. And then I'm going to take this new quad right here. I tuned it up in the last video. We're going to give this thing a maiden flight, see what we can do with it. One thing to note is it's like 20 degrees outside. So it's going to be a cold one. I'm going to have to fly from indoors. But this might be the last couple of chances I have to fly before it snows. So we're going to do that, and then Eli should arrive with his stuff, which you'll see later. And we'll be experimenting with that and having some fun. Eli, what took you so long?
What's up?
Why do you have all this stuff, Eli? Do you
we're
really need
today.
this much stuff?
What's up?
Alright, Eli, let's get this car going. Alright, Eli, is it ready?
She's ready.
So I've got a GoPro coming today, and it should be coming in a couple hours. So we're gonna go out, drive the car, get some tests, and hopefully by the time we're done, the GoPro will be here, and we'll be ready to take the drone out for a maiden flight, and then maybe combine the two and do some following. See what we can do. Eli, careful! Ah! Well, I don't know if I'll be flying today. Great. We're going to take out the RC car, and hopefully it stops snowing so we can fly later today. If not, I may not have a chance to fly until, like, summer. I mean, I can fly in the snow. Not when it's falling, but when there's snow on the ground, it's just not that good if I crash. Well, turns out the snow's pretty good for RC cars. Oh yeah, donut. Alright, Eli, get it. Holy crap. That's sketchy. Oh! If you brake, you're gonna just go flying out of control. Woohoo! Yes! Eli had to replace a quick bolt on the car. Let's go check on Eli. Yo, Mitch!
Jason, can I just tell you something?
How much easy of a fix is it? What, Eli? What do you need to tell me?
I think it was pretty stupid. I don't know. You should have gotten the RC car. That one.
Where? Ooh. Did it just come out? You need some Loctite, Eli.
Do you have like red Loctite?
No, I have no Loctite.
You don't have Loctite?
Yeah, my frame, my drones always fall apart because they vibrate and stuff. But RC cars they have too many parts, Eli, that can fall apart. That's why drones are better. Alright, the RC car is back in business. But before we go out and drift some more, let's do a quick intermission for some one-wheel riding in the snow. Never tried it before. We're gonna see if this works.
Oh, with the snow.
Alright guys, that was some absolutely epic RC drifting, driving. The conditions were pristine for that type of driving. Sadly, I don't think we'll have any chances to fly a drone today, considering how much snow there is out here. But yeah, we'll see what else is going on today. We're probably gonna go out, drive a little bit more. And yeah.
Alright guys, so while Mason's cutting some cheese for some lunch, I'm going to tell you, oh thank you. I'm going to tell you about our plan for what's going on next. We're going to go into town and go past LL Bean, and we're going to do some hardcore bashing and see what people think of the car.
I don't think anyone just understood what you said. Okay, we're done.
You good?
Wait, are you filming?
Yeah.
Rooster?
Sounds about right.
Alright, we're lunched up and we're going out for a second round, except this time we're going to head into town, see what we can do, explore some new places. We might just drive it down the sidewalk of Main Street. Never know. So, yeah, that's our plan. We'll see what happens. Full speed, full speed. Ooh, nice. Ooh. Nice. The bridge is apparently broken. Time to swap out for some high-speed runs on this nice open parking lot. A lot of the snow is melted now, so it's just kind of wetness. Still works fine for the RC car because it's waterproof. Look at all that snow in there. Oh, it's covered. Still working fine. These things are so waterproof. Alright guys, just arrived back from our adventure with the RC car. Those last couple jumps were pretty fun into the thorns. Getting it wasn't, but jumping it was. Alright, so we've got my package right here, and I'm assuming that this is the GoPro that I've been waiting for a while. So, first I gotta explain how I actually got this. Big shout out to my man FPV Exchange. He is on Instagram at FPV Exchange, and he's coming out with a website that he's actually developing. So I was able to get this from him, and he hooked me up. It's great. I couldn't be more thankful. So let's see if we've got the session in here. What the heck? All right. I'm really bad at opening packages. Oh, we've got some goodies in here, Eli. Okay. So that's the website, FPV Exchange. Check it out. He is developing it. He says, if you're not like me, it's not too uncommon to try do Am I reading this wrong?
What?
Thanks for checking out the site. If you're like me,
it's not too common. Just check them out in the link in the description.
Exchange, yeah. I'll post them on Instagram. All right, so here's what we got first. There's a lot of other stuff in here. I'm assuming that this is my refurbished GoPro session that I got from him.
It should be Hero 5. Yep.
Oh my gosh. That looks almost brand new.
Yeah.
Wow. I was expecting a GoPro, nothing else. Yeah, that's some really high quality
Still
stuff.
Has the plastic on it. I mean, clearly brand new.
Mounts.
Nice.
Couple cables in here. Okay. Good. Oh, I got it.
Wait, what?
Yes!
Did you even ask for that stuff?
No. Oh my gosh, I did not expect this at all.
Are these
3 sets of these props. I've never used them before. Yes, really. These are EC's props. He sent me 3 of them. I was actually about to buy like 6 sets of props on Rotor Riot, but today we got 3 sets of these. I've never used them, so I'm super excited. And 4 sets of my boy Ethics props. I love these props so much. They feel so nice. We've also got some 3D printed FPV Exchange. Amazing website, business cards, so I can spread the news about this. Some 6 stickers. And a couple battery straps. So, if you guys have not checked out the website, definitely go check out the website. I'm going to link that in the description below. I'm going to link his Instagram. Thank you so much to FPV Exchange, Kevin Libby, I think. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Read the letter, Eli.
Alright, if you're like me, it's not too uncommon to try or to try or do new tricks or push the envelope when filming your flight. If you ever lost a quad before, it sucks if you lose a quad and GoPro and all the footage. So the idea is that you carry 3 to 4 micro SD cards with you and swap out the micro SD cards throughout your flight session. If you lose your quad at the top of a tree or worse, you'll at least have your footage from the rest of the day. The larger slots, you put a standard SD card in, and the ones, and the little one are for the smaller ones. So yeah.
All right, so I believe what he's talking about is these 3D printed SD card holders. These things, I'll definitely try them out. They look pretty convenient, pretty helpful.
Yeah, you need to print some of these, Mason.
He sent me some, y'all, so I can use them. All right, wow, that is a really good note to end off the vlog with.
Jeez.
I've never gotten sent anything like this before. I did his, gave him some feedback on his website, chatted with him, expected to get the GoPro, but I got a lot more than that.
Yeah, seriously, like.
Yeah.
Go check him out because, like, this isn't.
Yeah.
First of all, this isn't a scam. This guy is so nice.
Yeah, he's really nice.
He wants feedback on his website. He has a really good website.
And he has a good website. Basically, FPV Exchange is a website that you can go on and it basically get FPV, race day quad, all the RC car websites. You can search for something and it'll show you every single product from every single FPV or RC car or RC plane website, and it'll list them out from price order, closest to you, where you want it. It's an amazing website. Go check them out. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.